Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the art class. I'm super excited because it's festival time. Dussehra and Navratris are on the way, and it is bringing so much joy and happiness to us. Isn't it? Are you all eagerly waiting for the festivals? Yes? Festivals are so colorful. We dress up in our favorite dresses and the best dresses. We decorate our houses. We go for the Dussehra Mela. We go for Diwali Mela. We have Navratri Pandals, Durga Puja Pandals that we all visit. And it's so much fun. So today I'm going to teach you in the topic Dussehra drawing of a Ravana's effigy. You all go for the Dussehra celebrations. You see the Ravana effigy burning. So today I'm going to teach you how to draw that. To draw the Ravan, first draw an oval shape. Okay, children? Now, the top part of the oval is going to become his crown. So I'm going to draw a sleeping line. Fine. Now, to show that he was a demon king, we are going to make these horn-like structures in his crown. You can make any other design that you like. 2 C's for the ears. Let's make earrings. You must have seen this effigy wears earrings. Now we have to show some hair which comes on the sides of your ears like this, right? Now for the eyebrows, we are going to show that he's angry. We have made these curves. If you feel that this is difficult, you can just make a V shape to show a frown or anger. Ravana was not good at all. He was not kind. He was not nice. He was very intelligent, but he did many bad deeds. Like he used to order killing of very noble people, and he also captured Sita ji, who was Ramji's wife. Now we are making a triangle for the nose, as you can see, and then a curve like a C on both the sides for his big wide mustache and double. So he abducted meaning kidnap किया उसने सीता जी का, and he was not kind at all. If there were some good people in his kingdom, he never listened to anybody. If somebody told him that this is right, see Ravana king, this is the right thing to do, you must do like this, he never listened to anyone. He did not listen to his elders also. His Nana ji was a very good man, his grandfather, and see, I'm making necklace for him, and he used to sit in his court. रावण का जो दरबार था ना, कोर्ट था जो उसका, उसी में बैठते थे उसके नाना जी जो थे रावण के. But Ravana, he never listened to him. When everybody told him that it is bad manners that you have kidnapped some lady, it's really bad, na children? You should not do this to anyone. He said he did not listen to anyone. And this was the reason that he died. And every year we celebrate Dussehra as the victory of good over the evil Ravana. Now children, you can see I've made a square for the upper body. For the arms, let's do like this. Other arm. You know, he's also worshipped in some places. He was worshipped because he was very intelligent. And that's why he had 10 heads. There was so much knowledge in all his 10 heads. You can imagine, na? So much knowledge he had in each brain. But then he was so arrogant. He was so proudy. And that's the reason he met a bad end. Now, okay, let me make the shield in the other hand. Wait. We are going to make the sword, his sword. For that, children, you first make a semicircle shape like this. And then draw 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. It's an effigy. Fingers can be like this. It's alright. And now from here, curve. And this, you can make it straight. I'm making it zigzag. Whatever design you want to give on his sword, you can. See. Okay. So this is his sword. And in the other hand, we are going to make the shield. And shield will have these semicircles as the design. Any extra lines, we can erase them. Let's add some design on his dress. You know, it is said in the story of Ramayana that Ravana had elixir, matlab amrit tha uske paas, and that was the reason he did not die easily. And it is said that it was contained here in his navel. So we've just made a nice design. That's how you will see when you go for the Dussehra celebration. The arrow will come and hit him here. Now, on his dress, children, you can make any design that you like. You can make smaller flowers, you can make circles, you can make diamond shape, you can make triangles. And such colorful effigies of Ravana are made these days. So, all of you, please, we need to learn something from the Dussehra celebrations, and that is, we should become good human beings. We should listen to elders and others. We should respect other people. We should respect girls. We should respect everyone. And we should help others. If we have a lot of knowledge, we should try and help others and not trouble anyone. Ravana has so much power, but he never helped anyone. See, this is the fire. I'm making the fire. So we are showing that Ravana is getting burnt. The evil is getting burnt. And you can make some Dussehra decorations on top with these triangles. Next class, I will teach you how to color this.